Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills, and using English in a one-to-one role play. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 10, using short vowels, un, up and ut sounds. Un, up, ut. Un, bun, bun. Run, run. Sun, sun. Bun, run, sun. Up, 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 up. Up, up, cup, cup. Up, pup, pup. Up, cup, pup. Ut, cut, cut. Hut, hut. Nut, nut. Cut, hut, nut. Listen and say the sentence. A bun is in the oven. A bun is in the oven. Two boys are having a run. Two boys are having a run. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. She jumps up high. She jumps up high. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. The girl has a pup. The girl has a pup. I cut the paper. I cut the paper. The man built a hut. The man built a hut. The monkey has a nut. The monkey has a nut. Let's review the phonics sounds. Bun. Run. Sun. Bun, run, sun. Up, up, up. Up, up, cup. Up, up, pup. Up, cup, pup. Ut, cut. Ut, hut. Ut, nut. Cut, hut, nut. We're at the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.